Just to update you on the figures that we've been bringing you, we have mentioned some of that in the headlines, but just to bring you the latest figures which have come through from the Department of Health in the last 15 minutes or so. A rise, sadly and inevitably, on the day before. So to bring you, just to remind you, 2,352 patients have died in hospital. That is a UK-wide figure. So that's UK-wide, more than 2,300 after testing positive for coronavirus. Now, those figures, to remind you, are accurate as at 5 o'clock yesterday evening, so there's a slight lag, but those are how they calculate the figures. That's the latest from the Department of Health. In terms of the rise, just to try to put into some context that figure that we gave you in the headline, it is up by 563 on the day before. So that is the context there, up by 563. To try to give you figures on testing as well, the Department of Health saying that it's getting close to 153,000, very nearly 153,000 people have been tested. Again, that figure is up until 9 o'clock this morning. So that's a fairly up-to-date figure. But as of 9 o'clock this morning, very nearly 153,000 people have been tested, and it's approaching 29,500 who have tested positive. So those are the latest details, the figures there released always around this time by the Department of Health.